I think kids benefit from CoderDojo by learning skills that will help them in the future, especially with coding, programming, electronics, engineering, robotics. All of these are skills that are only going to grow in the future as we become, more technologically advanced. So this is basically getting them ready at elementary school level to practically enter the job market. I volunteer at CoderDojo because I think it's a valuable opportunity for kids. This teaches them not only programming, but how to manage projects. It's a self-directed, mentor-assisted program. So what that means is that students come into the class, usually not knowing much about programming. They'll get to be introduced to how to program and kind of taught the fundamentals, and then they'll be asked to come up with a problem that they want to solve, and then they are kind of, the reins are let loose and they are able to work on their own project, and we adults are here to kind of help them along.
I came to CoderDojo because I wanted to learn how to code, because I knew nothing about coding except that you can create stuff with it. And I really wanted to learn how to code so that I could create video games and stuff like that.
This CoderDojo is geared towards kids ages 7 to 12. We're pretty open to anyone coming. We especially need older kids, teenagers, high school students, and parents or adults that would like to help mentor. That is super helpful to help us expand.
And I was able to create the game with the help of a mentor, and because I had only used Scratch like one time before, and it was just like messing around with costumes and stuff.
I came to CoderDojo about like 2.5 years ago, almost 3 years ago, and I knew very simple Scratch coding before I came. At home, I don't usually do any coding, but when I'm here, it's like you code, so I've learned a lot of stuff. And it's like what you do here, and it's just, I wouldn't learn this stuff at home.
It's super fun, and you get to meet a bunch of other kids, and you socialize.